हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टॉकोलॉजिस्ट। आज हम बात करेंगे निफ्टी के एंटिसिपेटेड लेवल्स की। हाउ निफ्टी इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बिहेव इन coming times. All of us are aware that markets are currently in a downward trend. So पहले we'll discuss how the markets have performed and what are the likely reasons for Nifty to fall in the coming times, why the markets are behaving in particular manner, and what could be anticipated support levels in near future. So let's go to the charts. Now, as all of us know that this is the recovery that we saw after the crash of 2020 March. We saw that the markets went up like anything. But currently, as we see that there is a downward correction. So if we zoom into the recent time frames, now those of you who follow us on Twitter, उनको पता होगा कि in early December we predicted that markets have created the top and they are likely to reverse from there. The very reason for that was the classic head and shoulder pattern that we observed in Nifty 50 index. As we can see that it was in clear uptrend, and then we saw a head and shoulder, which is a trend reversal chart pattern forming at the top. So if I have to highlight the pattern, so यहाँ से हम देख सकते हैं कि this is the shoulders. So this was the head and shoulder pattern. This is the neckline. Which got broken. The market tried to go back up, but it found a resistance at the neckline, and again it started falling down. So as we know that now the markets are trends have reversed from the top, हमें पता है कि market are coming down. So what could be the next levels कि जहाँ पे market can find some supports or in coming time. So first thing that we have observed is the likely chances where the markets can find support is its 200-day EMA, which is somewhere around a level of 16,200. So यहाँ पे हम एक kind of support expect कर सकते हैं market में. Secondly, दूसरा जो level है जहाँ पे we can expect a support is at the level of 15,900 to somewhere around 15,580. So this is going to also work as a support zone, and first support can be expected at the level of 16,200. If this level breaks, the next support levels are 15,900 to 15,580. In overall, we can expect the markets to correct by somewhere around 13 to 15% from the top. Now, the primary reasons we can anticipate the markets to go down in the coming time is firstly, as all of us will be knowing, that news of US Fed tapering. Secondly, recently China has slashed the benchmark lending rates. Bank of England has also raised their interest rates, rising consumer inflation, and last but not the least, the threat of Omicron spread, which can again impose lockdowns and increase spread, which is also affecting the sentiments of both the institutional as well as retail investors in the market. So in this pessimistic outlook, what are the sectors which we can focus on? So just to highlight those sectors, firstly, we will look into some indexes which are showing a strong sign, which can be a a sector which can impact the sectors in coming time. So one of the signals that we can look into is dollar index. Now, as we clearly can see, the dollar index is in an upward trend. This is the support level. So on this support levels, the dollar index has taken a support, and now currently the dollar is appreciating. As we can clearly see, also the 50-day average is going above, and the gap between the 15-day average and 200-day EMA is increasing. So the dollar is clearly appreciating. Also, if we look into the dollar Indian rupee currency forex, over there also we can see a similar trend, कि जहाँ पे हमें क्लियर कट एविडेंट है कि दिस सपोर्ट लेवल से dollar has appreciated, and also now we can see the widening of gap between 50 EMA as compared to 200 EMA. So whenever the dollar is appreciating, there are certain sectors which will benefit from them. Most likely you will see the benefits in IT sector. There could be a momentum in IT sector as well as pharma sector. So as per our analysis currently in this pessimistic time, we can see that IT sector is performing really strong. So let's look into the sector first. So as we can see that from 2020 March fall, the IT sector has been on a upward rally. It has been continuously taking supports at its 50-day EMA. Currently, it is taking supports at 50-day EMA. So currently, the markets are at its support level, which is somewhere around this level, which is somewhere around 3,400. So as we can see that currently the 50-day EMA is above its 200-day EMA. Also, the Nifty IT is consolidated or is getting consolidated in a sideways trend on its 50-day average. Except other sectors, we think that IT sector is currently strong due to the appreciation in dollar as compared to rupee, as well as overall US dollar index going up. So in current times, we could expect good returns in IT sector stocks. So if we at all have to buy stocks, we can focus on IT sector. So which are the stocks we should focus on? So primarily there are two stocks which we feel that are going to be strong stocks in this negative market. First one that we would look into is TCS. So as we can see that TCS is currently has been in upward trend from the recovery of 2020. The 50-day moving average is above its 200 moving average has been from 2020. And also currently it is above its 200-day average. If we look into levels, अगर हम levels की बात करेंगे यहाँ पे, so this is the level कि जहाँ पे we can expect support. Already this level has been very tested. So as we can see, the levels has been tested twice over here and over here. The levels has been tested. Now it is retracing back to the same levels. So हम अपना एंट्री यहाँ पे बना सकते हैं. This could be our entry point. और यहाँ से we can expect a upside of somewhere around 14%, and our targets could be somewhere around 3,900 to 3,920. Second stock that we would recommend is Persistent System. Now this stock has been in an upward trend from 2020 crash, as we can see. Still also the gap between the 50 EMA and 200 EMA is widening. And this stock has been taking support at its 50-day EMA from its recovery in 2020. So we can observe that it has always taken a support at 50-day EMA. So currently it is right now being retraced at its 50-day EMA. So at its 50-day EMA, it will give you a good buying opportunity. We can expect a momentum of 7 to 10% from its 50-day EMA. So you can buy the stocks at 50 EMA and you can expect a target of somewhere around 7 to 10%. So that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Bye-bye.